Lauren Quigley here for Michaels and John Bead, and in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this adorable beaded lizard. I'll be using size 8-0 John Bead Czech beads, but you could also use the size 11-0 Czech beads to make a smaller lizard. To start, you'll need 3 different colored beads for your lizards, 2 for the body and 1 for the eyes, 28 gauge wire, and some wire cutters. First, we'll start by taking a nice long piece of beading wire, approximately 18 inches long. We'll start by taking our wire and putting it in half and starting with 1 bead, and this will be the start of our lizard body. You put the bead on one side of the wire, put the opposite side of the wire through, and pull until it gets down to the top. Make sure the bead is in the center of the wires and leave a little loop at the top because that's where you'll be able to attach it as a charm. The second row will be the same 2 solid colors, and the third row you will do the eyes. So here I have gray, blue, gray. As you go through each row, you'll be able to pull the wires so that your beads are nice and straight. Now we're doing the neck of the lizard, and that will be 2 rows of 2 beads. So here are my teal beads. So I did 1 and 2. This is our neck. Now I'm going to show you how to make the little foot with the little pink toes. You'll start by taking 2 of the blue beads and then 3 of the purple seed beads. Now those are our toes. You will take the wire and go back down through only the 2 blue beads. You'll pull that wire nice and tight, and you'll see what happens here. The little toes just form. They're so cute. Now you'll do this on the other side of the wire by taking your 2 blue beads, 3 purple, and going back through the 2 blue beads, pulling that wire nice and tight, and there you have your 2 little legs. Now we'll start on the body of the lizard. The first row of the body has 3 beads. So we're doing blue, purple, blue. And we will pull that down and make sure that you are pulling it evenly. The next 3 rows are going to be exactly the same. We'll be doing blue, purple, purple, blue. So only 4 beads in the next 3 rows. After these 3 rows, we'll decrease the number of beads to 3, so we'll do blue, purple, blue to finish out the belly of the lizard. We'll repeat the same process that we did for the 2 legs at the top, and we're going to do 2 more legs at the bottom. So that's 2 blue beads, 3 purple beads, and you'll take your wire, run it back through the blue beads, and pull nice and tight, and it'll naturally create those 3 little toes there. Repeat this on the other side, and you'll have completed all 4 legs of your lizard. Now that we've finished the legs and the belly, we're transitioning into the tail portion. The next 2 rows will be 2 beads, and we're only using the blue beads from here on out. So grab 2 beads, put them on one wire, pull the other wire through, and pull that down nice and tight, and repeat that again. And after we're done with these 2 sets of 2, we'll go down and do 5 single beads. So the same process, but 5 of the individual blue seed beads. And then we'll be done with this part. And look how cute it's looking. To finish this off, I take the thin wire and I run it back through a few of the seed beads. I do this with both sides of the wire. And if you're having trouble pulling it with your fingers, go ahead and grab some pliers because that will really help you pull the wire and make it nice and tight like you see me doing here. Once you're done running the wires back through that tail a few beads, you can take your wire cutters and very carefully cut off the ends of the wires. Then you'll have your finished lizard. You can do this with so many different colors or size beads. I recommend doing the smaller sized seed beads and doing them in all green because they look like a little alligator, and I think that's really cute. Add a jump ring towards the mouth, and you can do a lobster clasp, make it into a keychain or a little charm. Just have fun with these. If you have any questions about this tutorial, you can find me, Lauren Quigley Creations, across all social platforms. Happy crafting!